Now that your car is super clean, it's time to dry it. Before we start clay barring, I'll talk about several methods of drying, and I'll talk about how I like to do it. And I like using a leaf blower, and this is my favorite way to do this because it's the easiest way to do it. And you just start from top to bottom as well. But if you don't have a leaf blower, that's all right. So I'm going to show you another way to do this. So you're going to grab a yellow microfiber that's also provided in the kit, and you're going to grab water and you're going to wet this, okay? And make sure you're using a clean microfiber. I'm going to grab another one. Good thing we provide 5. So make sure you're not on jet mode, and you're just going to wet this. Okay, and you're going to wring it out. Get it all dry. And I like just holding it like this and just going through the area like so. So you're gonna hold it like that and work your way around. And as you go, you're gonna go ahead and wring it out. Look how much water that was already. And you're gonna repeat the process as you finish. So you can see in the front, I still have a lot of moisture. So you're gonna go ahead and do that. I just finished the roof. You can see, look at all that water. And you're gonna complete the process and go all the way around until you are dry. And lastly, the third option is to use a giant drying towel, and these are specifically for that. And it has a lot of surface area and is super plushy. And what you wanna do, the same technique, you could either drag it across with 2 hands, or you could kind of tap it just like this and then wick up all the moisture. And you're going to be just repeating this process as you go along. So those are 3 ways. The microfiber is included if you have a leaf blower. That would be the easiest option, but typically I'll have to do that even after a leaf blower in some areas.